Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. Today, we're going to react to SB19 Takeover Acer HQ. No, yesterday we already reacted to SB19 vlogs, which is pumunta nga sila sa Acer HQ. No, so I assume we are going to see more of that in here. Of course, this is uploaded by Acer Philippines, and yeah, I mean. Nung pumunta tayo doon, ang akala ko kasi Acer is for like laptop and all of that. Well, apparently they have a different appliances as well. Ano ba? Akala ko talagang Acer is para sa laptop lang. Kasi parang may mga ibang ano doon, no? May mga ibang appliances na pinapakita or parang mga naka-display. So I assume Acer din 'yon. But I don't know actually. Akala ko laptop lang, but yeah, well, without further ado, man. Let's get it. Apparently they have gym as well, no?
What is up? I think she's going to give us
Good morning, everyone. To start off your day.
Yes.
Sa ano to, diba? Dito sa Pilipinas, diba? Sa Taiwan to, right? Right? Taiwan to, diba? Itong Acer HQ na pinuntahan nila is Taiwan. I mean, Acer Philippines yung channel na nag-upload. Pero itong Acer HQ na to, sa Taiwan siya, right? Right?
I'm gonna hand off the badges to you.
Wow.
So you can get through the office.
Yes.
All right. So
Badges.
Me. Hello.
Like Pokemon.
Josh.
Josh.
Josh. Well, shoutout sa mga galaro ng ano dyan, ng Pokemon.
I'm gonna hand off the badges to you.
Wow.
So you can get through the office.
Yes.
All right. So
Badges.
Me. Hello.
Pokemon.
Josh.
It's like a Pokemon.
Sheshe very much.
Sheshe very much.
Okay, and your orientation, if you need any support, just find me, and then let's go get a fresh cup of coffee
Okay.
first.
All right.
Naku, I would love that.
Let's go.
I have a fresh, not fresh anymore, but tumbler of coffee. Di ba meron pa silang parang e-bike, right? So, hindi lang pala sa, laptop ang Acer. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam.
But syempre, since we're going to be employees for today sa Acer, bago natin simulan ng araw.
Okay, so I get it. So kaya Acer Philippines ang nag-upload kasi magkakasalita sila ng Tagalog. Diba? Kung Acer Taiwan or like Acer in general, nasa sa Taiwan sila, I assume this is going to be like full English speaking video. But since Acer Philippines is the one who uploaded the video, pwede sa Tagalog. Okay, I get it. I mean, I know like all of this Acer, maybe there's an Acer Taiwan, Acer, Korea, something like that. I mean, it's still same company, no? Different lang. But in-upload nila sa Acer Philippines because nagsasagas na ng Tagalog.
Coffee muna. Di ba? Let's order coffee. Excuse me.
So,
For me, Royal.
Dito ba sa Acer HQ ng Taiwan, pwede kang pumunta dyan just to browse? And then, there's this, like a bar, para more doon ng coffee. And there's a gym, para pwede kang mag-gym, itong buong building na to. Or all of this is available only for the staff of Acer. Kasi kung ganon, men, ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Good.
Panis, local.
Ito is next.
Nawala na
What's
talaga
your
ng
order?
dahilan yung mga empleyado para lumabas, di ba?
Alam niyo, dati dito daw nag-work si Kuya Alvin.
Alden? Siyempre, nandun yung recharger. Pero guys,
Recharger.
as employees, no, kailangan daw natin gumawa ng report.
What kind of report?
Ganito.
Mga product, yung list ng product na uwi sa Pilipinas. Yeah!
Kasi ano tayo, ang work talaga natin dito is to test.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we need,
And if we like the product,
Para silang
if we like
quality
the product,
evaluators.
we get to keep it.
yes.
Perfect.
Ready?
Oh, really? Totoo?
If we like the product, we get to keep it.
What if, pag nandyan ako, gusto ko lahat. Oh, I like it. I like this. Oh, I like this. I like it all. Can I keep all this? Can I keep all of this?
Yes.
Perfect.
Ready?
Yeah, of course, ready to go.
Let's move.
Ooh.
Last time we were here and we're really amazed before because there's full of technologies and different stuff that we haven't tried before. Really amazing.
Kung makikita nyo po, nandito tayo sa napakaliit na ng Acer nila. 14 inches na lang ata ito ah. Tingnan nyo guys. Napaka hindi ng specs kasi na ito. Ito na yung specs niya. 8842HS processor.
Naka-Radeon 7.
780M. Ang 144 Hz din to. So, to.
Nice.
Wala na akong handheld gaming device eh. It's so much better than my previous handheld gaming device.
Ayos to ah. Dito ka na maglalaro. Pag gusto mo maglaro, pero ayaw mo mag-guilty. Make your green mark, guys. Para meron ginagawa.
Tapos yung, alam mo pag nakaupo ko, yung gumaganon-ganon ako.
Ah, koy.
Yung table.
Nako, pag naglalaro ka, tapos
Talaga?
na. Bilisan mo pa, kaklatch ka. Kaklatch ka, Justin, anuhin mo.
Pag naglalaro ko, nakataas yung paa ko.
Yan yung mga yung mga ginagamit.
Ay, no, may bike.
Yung parang C4 bomb.
C4, yung paa nito.
Bigot.
Hindi, nakadikit.
Hindi nakadikit.
Ay, nakadikit.
Ay, nako, Justin. Bakit mo yun na natitira? Tayo.
Kasi pa ilaway ko.
Chairman and CEO Jason Chen and also
Andrew.
Asia Pacific President Andrew Ho, which you know.
Andrew Ho.
Okay.
So let's move to the other meeting.
Josh.
Come on, Josh. Stop playing, even though you won. So, everybody, come on, please.
Nasobrahan sa... Okay. Alright. Ngayon ko na nalaman din pala, no? Kasi, I mean... ang Predator pala na system unit is under Acer, no? Hindi ko alam. Actually. So, ang Predator na system unit is Acer. Like, ano yun? Parang pre-build na. Like, Acer din yung motherboard. Tapos, ang CPU, Intel. AMD?
Jason, I'm the CEO of the
Hi,
company.
nice to meet you.
Good to see you. Welcome. Justin, right?
Good to see you.
Mama, you're the leader.
Yeah, the leader. Okay. So sila pa, yung sa pala sa vlog nila, yung dalawang naka-blue, sila pala yung CEO, tapos yung president. Okay. God damn, no?
Good. Happy to see you guys. Yeah, second time for you visiting the headquarters already.
Yeah,
So what do you have? What do you have in mind for?
I actually thought that I'm just gonna live here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we really like everything, especially all those,
You can keep everything then.
from like what you've said, from the simplest things to the complex things to the for the gamers and everyday
Everyday.
usage.
For me, I like how Acer really pushed for sustainability. So yeah, we were talking about earlier about the Vero set, the Vero line, and everything's very creative, and yet you don't sacrifice the quality because plastic is really easy to break and tarnish and all, but we use other sustainable materials like the seashells. So it's really nice.
I feel like this is not just a partnership, but it's like a real family, and we're really thankful for believing in us as friends. I also believe
That's the reason why, maraming gusto niya pagtrabaho sa SB19 because they are not seeing this as always like I mean, literally, it's a partnership, kung maging literal tayo. But, like the feel is family, like give and take, both sides, diba? But yeah, kasi, I mean, again, purpose ng family is magtulungan, right? Kung may layo, tutulungan kayo, diba? Di mo naman nahayaan na yung family member mo is mahirapan, tapos ikaw, nag-enjoy. Like their partnership, right? Acer is, helping SB19 and SB19 helping Acer at the same time. And again, you know how how SB19 helped Acer, and we all know how Acer helped SB19. But they are doing it because they're happy to do it. It's like family, You're happy to help your family member because it's your family, right? So it's same with I think Acer and SB19. That's why a lot of company really wants to work with SB19.
Mission Acer. That's why we're always happy to be here in the headquarters.
I believe it's the same. We share the common belief and the same theme
Same
between Acer and SB19.
I agree.
So that's very, very good.
Yeah.
Good for the world, good for people.
Yep.
We believe in SB19 and you believe on Acer. That mutual trust, mutual belief.
But Acer, your
the journey, the
system
past
unit
years,
is so expensive. Acer, by the way, your system unit is
Thank you very much.
expensive.
Thank you. We do have a gift for you.
Oh, let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
It's our signature gaming PC.
Wow. Sobrang mahal kaya ng gaming na laptop. Sobrang mahal niya. Mas makakamura ka po nag-build ka ng sarili mong PC. 'Di ba? Like, yung motherboard, like CPU, SSD, like GPU, ikaw lang mag-build. Mas makakamura ka. I mean, ma-hit mo yung budget mo. At the same time, pwede ka makahanap ng, medyo mas cheaper brand na medyo mataas yung specs. But again, you have like a system unit, diba? Hindi mo siya madadala kung saan-saan. The reason why mas mahal yung mga gaming laptop is because kaya mo siyang dalhin. Di ba? Kaya mo siyang, hindi ka tulad pag may PC ka, like kung saan nakaset up yung PC mo, you have to actually, get up. So, upuan na inuupuan mo or pagkakahiga mo para bubudo sa mo, para mag-gaming. And, ito parang, like cellphone, pero kaya mo ma-access lahat ng mga AAA games mo. Just, kung nasan ka mismo, di ba? That's why, napakamahal nila. Napakamahal nila! Isang buwan kong sahod, kulang pa. Isang buwan kong sahod, kulang pa. Even 2 months Even 2 months nga ata, hindi kaya. All in na yun, ha? Ano pangalan nito? Ano pangalan ng laptop na to? Ano sabi niya?
It's our signature gaming PC.
A gaming PC for Acer. Give me 1 second. Let me try and search how much is a gaming PC from Acer. So I tried to search gaming laptop for Acer. And tingnan ako sa PC Express, but ang pinaka cheapest nila is 37,999. That's the cheapest. By the way, that is the cheapest. And they have like the price range is from what? Like 159,999 pesos. Like that is what? 5 months na sahod ka. itong laptop na to, itong gaming laptop na to, that's 5 months of my salary. By the way. That's 5 months of my salary. Dahil... Nakakasa. Nakakaingit. Ito, punta sila ng gym.
Sustainability. Anong innovation?
Ito na punta sila ng gym. Workspace. Ito. Ano. Ito na yung mga miniature na nilalaro nila. Predator.
So today we're going to do some innovation with you guys to design our Predator edge cover. You know, we have this cool Predator products, gadgets over here, and also the thermal design, and also we have some cool like color material finish samples, so you can give you a lot of inspiration so that you can design something really cool that fit your style or you wish to have for your next laptop.
Yung logo na gusto nila sa ano Project Blood JC. Wow.
So you know that we have design lab here and we have 30 printers. So we'll prepare.
Whoa!
Design
Oh, really? Wow!
like each of you a unique character.
Ito na yung ano. Okay.
Oh my God! Let's go! Yes! How do we do that? Wow!
3D printer.
Oh my God!
Oh!
Oh, so that's...
There's a fairy, a mermaid, dragon.
It's a merman, right? Pag lalaking mermaid, it's a merman.
This one?
Oh my God! So who's who? Which is
Who's who?
And dragon.
Maybe it's a wolf.
I think ikaw to Justin kasi fairy eh.
It's the
Diba?
Kasi
yes.
Ako yung
like
mermaid.
kalikasan.
Yeah.
Ayoko, may logo ko. Haha!
May logo.
May logo eh. Ayun na JC oh. Ikaw to.
A rooster and then a dragon?
Wow!
Yeah.
A rooster.
Bakit ako merman?
Oh.
Bakit ako merman?
Kasi yung sinabi mo, di ba may buntot ng mermaid yung ano?
Yung character ko. Wow. Oo nga.
I have my own Tinkerbell.
It's a bat or a dragon?
Nice, man. Yung kay Josh is a bat. No, yung tsura niya. Merman. Pablo, the rooster.
Wow,
Okay.
thank you.
Nice, man.
Yeah! May six-pack abs tong character ko. Wala kayo.
Ha. Sheesh! Ang ganda. Sorry. Ang ganda.
SB19 Fantasy Challenge.
Fantasy challenge. Okay.
You're going to think about something designed for your fans during this different section. So you are going to have 15 minutes for this section. But during the session, we are going to have a quick fire Q&A for each of you.
Q&A.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Then while they're designing, there's a quick part Q&A. Nice.
So I'm going to have the first Q&A.
Okay. Oh my God.
So are you an introvert or extrovert behind the scene?
I am introvert
Yeah.
all the way.
All the way?
Yes.
Mhm.
So the first one is, if you want a musician, what different role you will be?
Role. I think a barista.
Also, sabi niya, I'm a data analyst still. Throwing my life away as a data analyst.
I like coffees, but right now, I'm not really good at making. I only have the machine to make the coffee.
Okay, so I will have the next question for you.
Oh my gosh.
What kind of food you always crave on tour to Taiwan?
Oh my god, my favorite food here in Taiwan right now is tohua. Yeah, tohua. I love tohua because first
Tofu.
it's protein and next is it has
Diyan naman tayo. Every time na napanood ko si Stel, no, parang lagi niya pinapamukha sa akin na mag-workout ka. Like today, I forgot to work out again. And late na. Sobrang late na ng araw na to. By the way, I'm real time kung shoot to after ito i-upload ko na eh. Real time. Kaya ngayong araw na to, today is what? Like, August 5th? Pag in-upload ko to ng August 5th, alam yung today ko rin to sinut ng gabi. Kasi, I mean, of course, kanina, pagkawag ko sa trabaho, pagod na pagod ako, diretso akong tulog. Pagising ko, pinuntahan kasi ako, tanghaling init-init. Pag uwi ko, naidlip ulit ako, tapos hapon na ako nagising, tapos nagkape ako, tapos ngayon ko na nagawa to. So, muntik na akong hindi makapag-shoot, and then I have a shift again later, so wala na akong time para mag-workout, no? I don't know if that's just me reasoning, no? Para di makapag-workout, pero here's still, pinapamukha sa atin na, what the fuck are you doing? You have to work out. You have to eat your proteins. You have to count your calories, your macros, and shit, man. Shit.
first it's protein and next is it has fruits and it's natural sweet, so I like it.
Yeah.
And it has
Alright.
milk as well. In the Philippines we have that same snack and we call it taho. Taho, but it's the sweeter version because it has brown sugar on it. But here it's kind of balanced because it's not that sweet and it has its natural sweetener, which is the dried fruits and the milk.
More healthy.
Yeah, more healthy. I love tohua. And there's another
Tohua.
one is sweet potato balls. Sweet potato balls.
Oh, the
Yeah, the taro one. Yeah.
ice cream or milk?
Ice cream.
Okay.
Yeah.
Last
Milk
question
tea.
will be the
Di ako mahilig sa
best
ice cream.
dance move right now.
Favorite dance move right now?
Or you want to just, show us a little bit?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, I'll just show it. I think Stel made this. Yeah, it's like this. 5, 6, 7. Ain't someone on the ground. Ain't someone.
Eight on ball.
Wait, I'm capping. Oh, so what? I'm fly. Ayoko na. Yes. Thank you.
What fan behavior makes you laugh?
What a fan behavior.
Whoa.
Up. You guys take note. You guys take note.
Sometimes when they get no.
Up. Ito na, wait lang. Hindi ka na bibitinin.
When they get
Up. Oh, okay. Sorry. My bad.
sometimes when they get no, not really that, but sometimes they get sometimes like reckless something and they make mistakes.
Kasi sobrang siya makapansin.
I think it's cute, but I'm not saying that.
I think it's cute. Wala lang din yung asawa ko.
They should do it unintentionally. I think it's
Yeah.
fun.
Okay.
So fun. Ay. There's the gym. There's the gym, right? Wala akong gym. Ayan, okay na. Sa gym na nga sila.
Tapos na po namin mag-work. We've worked so hard, so we earn, or we actually deserve to, syempre, work out. Diba, ganun talaga ang buhay. After mo mag-work,
Mag-workout ka.
Mahirap mo yung sarili mo. Hindi, pero ito ang isa sa mga favorite namin na ginagawa recently. So, halos lahat kami ay nag-gym except Justin. Pero, hindi ko natutulog. Oh. Grabe yung workout mo Justin. So, yan. Yan na yung workout niya. So, usually, yan eh.
Yung workout yung brain ko.
Parang ako lang eh, no? Gagawa ng iba pa mga reason para di makapag-buhat talaga eh, no? Man. And now, pag hinit play ko to, makikita naman natin si Stel flexing on us, making me feel like shit about myself. What the fuck? Oh. Oh. Ganyan. Jeez. Hey. Nice. World's best employers. Nice. Alright, well again, that's SB19 Takeover Acer HQ. No, I actually enjoy it, no? And at the same time, sobrang nainggit ako. Nakuha kasi ng PC. No? I want the Predator PC as well. And I need to work out. But yeah, well, that's a wrap for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto kong mag-react sa yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.